Glad you're still here. One split second of lost control, red and blue lights swallow the night, and heartbeats push past the limit. Desperate throttle punches, mistakes stacking on mistakes, every choice dragging closer to a price that can't be undone. Some runs have no way back, and you're about to see why. On March 28, 2023 in Arkansas, Trooper James Bird spots this Lexus speeding. But instead of a brief roadside chat, the driver chooses to hit run mode. Can this luxury sedan really outrun police? Or is this just the opening act to a very bad ending? A blind, smoke-filled drift straight out of an action movie. Did he really think that would lose the cops? In reality, it only made him stand out even more. The emergency lane is not a VIP lane. This move shows pure desperation and a reckless disregard for the lives of dozens of people nearby. Absolutely inexcusable. After miles of pursuit, police patience runs out. I'm going to pit him. The decisive takedown maneuver is about to happen.
In the median, right in front of the field.
Control D. Buckley, 22, is taken into custody. He now faces felony fleeing and reckless driving charges. Even more troubling, he was already out on bond after being charged with murder in 2020. Under Arkansas law, this chase could add up to 6 more years in prison. The lesson? Never run, especially when your past is already catching up to you. What do you think about this sentence? On Monday, April 7th, 2025, in Union County, Arkansas, an officer spots this Nissan Altima with a cracked windshield and repeatedly drifting out of its lane. As the officer steps out to conduct a routine traffic stop, the driver suddenly floors it, turning a minor violation into a serious felony. What inside the car made him take such a reckless risk?
Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off.
You can get on top of it and try to go in TBI and you get to 55.
Okay, he's trying to flip around northbound, flip around southbound, flip around southbound. TBI, TBI, TBI. back here. Oh, no, you don't.
After making a dangerous turnaround and charging straight toward the officer, the suspect backs himself into a corner. The officer doesn't miss the moment, executing a precise TBRI maneuver that completely ends the vehicle pursuit.
No, you don't.
Kareem Malik Bolton is taken into custody after a brief foot chase. Officers recover 6 ounces of marijuana and nearly $2,000 in cash. In Arkansas, fleeing in a vehicle is a felony offense. Felony fleeing that can carry several years in prison.
Hey, grab a bag.
Houston, Texas. On May 17, 2025, police are dispatched to a minor 3-vehicle crash on the North Freeway. 2 drivers stay at the scene, but the driver of this blue SUV flees. When officers locate him at a nearby parking lot, the interaction quickly turns tense. For a minor collision, was this reckless reaction really worth it?
They got video footage and everything, buddy. I'm not here to debate about it. Okay. You said what?
So which one?
Okay.
TBS 7.
Okay. So what was your intention? You didn't want to provide any information, you know, it's state law to do that, right?
What did I hit?
What did you hit?
Final update on 1916
All right.
Park.
I'm not going to debate about it with you, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put you in handcuffs, we're going to put you in the back seat, we're going to move your car over there with the other 2 cars that are involved in the crash, okay? Hey, whoa, up down! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! 22-21.
There's no shots fired.
The situation escalates fast. As officers inform the suspect he's being detained for investigation, he suddenly lifts his shirt and pulls a weapon. A split-second decision, terribly wrong.
I'm not going to debate about it with you, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put you in handcuffs, we're going to put you in the back seat, we're going to move your car over there with the other 2 cars that are involved in the crash, okay? Hey, whoa, up there!
Immediate consequences. As the gunfire stops, the officer urgently calls for medical support. Roll me HFD. The suspect was incapacitated, the price of resisting.
Central 21, this is the suspect in the crash. We're at China border, shots fired, 1 suspect down, all officers.
The suspect is succumbed to injuries dead at the scene. His identity is still being confirmed. Had he survived, he would have faced charges of leaving the scene of an accident and aggravated assault on a public servant. Ocala, Florida. On July 31st, 2022, police spot a stolen vehicle being driven by Matthew Gibbert, 29. Instead of stopping, Gibbert floors it, turning a routine traffic stop into a dangerous pursuit through multiple residential and industrial areas. What pushed him to take such a reckless gamble?
That's 10. Haven't let him up. He's just starting to pick up speed. We're doing 50 and a 35 northbound coming up on 17th Street. Be 1031 southbound crossing over 17th Street into the industrial area. Gonna go back north on 7th Avenue.
10-4 north on 7th Ave.
So we're heading back towards the 17th Street overpass. He'll either turn back off or he might head up towards Highway 200. There's no other traffic at this time.
10-4 17th Street on the overpass. No traffic this time.
Coming up to Highway 200. Going over Highway 200. Continuing northbound southwest 10th Avenue. Crossing over MLK.
After miles on the run and blowing through multiple red lights, Gibbert realizes the car won't save him. He bails out and puts his faith in his own legs. Driver's bailing.
Pocket! Pocket!
buddy. Show me your hands. Let me see your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. The sooner you show me your hands, the sooner I take the dog off. Let me see your right hand. All right. Stay over. Stay over. Roll over on your stomach. Stay on your stomach. Give me your right hand. Give me your right hand behind your back.
I'm not going to let him go. Get him off, please.
Don't fight. As soon as I get your handcuffs, as soon as the dog goes off, okay?
K9 Jax charges in to end the game. A decisive bite to the suspect's backside instantly brings him under control. Matthew Gabbert, 29, already on probation, is taken into custody facing multiple charges and held without bond. Jax deserves a medal. Thank you for your courage and unwavering service.
Air 1 Mary K9, looks like they're bringing a 1015 north.
On February 4th, 2023 in Florida, the pursuit begins after two suspects in a stolen pickup truck are spotted. They had already fired shots at police in a tanker truck earlier. This footage starts with their vehicle already heavily damaged, yet still fleeing stubbornly on I-75. Clearly, they had no intention of surrendering. How much farther could they possibly go? Out of options, the suspect weaves aggressively between semi-trucks on the highway. Control is slipping away as he forces through razor-thin gaps, turning I-75 into a deadly maze. Every sudden move putting innocent lives at risk. Enough is enough. An officer executes a precise pit maneuver. The vehicle loses control entirely and crashes into the median. The four-wheel pursuit is over. Shots fired. I'm hit. An officer is shot but returns fire, disarming the suspect. The other, Yoandy Mora Perez, 38, is taken into custody, facing first-degree murder charges and potentially the severest consequences. What do you think about the officer's actions?